This is a short video to show you how to do some of the exercises for the next class. In the writing section, click on Simple Present Review. Click on the arrow to watch the slideshow. Shows you a review of simple present verbs. So the simple present, the simple present negative, and the simple present with be, and the simple present with negative be. Then you're going to complete these online practices. Let's start with the first one. Present simple positive with other verbs. So you're going to type the whole sentence. He go to school every day. He go or goes to school every day. Period. And then you can check your answers. Let's try this one. You play or plays? Play badminton on Saturdays. Check. Okay. Let's look at some of the other ones here. So that was simple positive, simple in the negative. Again, you're going to write sentences. So I not like coffee. I do not like coffee. Check. I could say I don't like coffee. The contraction is okay too. Let's see. She do or does? She does not come from Spain. So again, you're going to complete all of the rest of them. Let's take a look at simple positive with be verbs. And here you're just going to enter the verb. So am, is, or are. She is, am, or are a teacher. She is a teacher. We am, is, or are hungry. We are hungry. If you forget which verbs go with which pronouns or which subjects, you can look back at the slideshow above. Okay, the last one is using be as a negative. Number one, I not be cold. So I am not cold. We never say amped is, that's not a word. We always keep it separate with I and the be verb. Okay, she is not or isn't. Either one is fine. Check. And you are not. You could also say you aren't. You can use the contractions here too.